Now, I've heard mixed ratings, and I'll make sure you a few comments where people left. They said that this is horrible, that it literally falls right back off. And maybe they didn't clean it, but we're gonna give this a shot. Okay. Now, here's the tricky part. You're gonna take this piece off. That's the back. That's the sticky part. And you're going to have to align it perfectly. And then we're going to press like so. And it should, oh, you got to stick your finger up under here to get this off. All right, okay. You may want to take your finger, rub it, because there's a little air bubble that's what's in there. Just rub, take your finger to the center and just rub outward to get that air out, so you won't have a bubble. You know what the bubble is, right? Now we're supposed to take one of these. Let me see where the hole is. So there's a hole on here. See that hole? And on your Galaxy 7 watch, there's also a hole. These two match together, like so. And of course, you got the buttons. So I hope there's somebody that won't screw this up. Now, it should snap right on each other. Yep, you hear that snap? Okay. This looks like it does two things. Oh, that piece doesn't really go, that would have been really nice if this piece actually held down on the glass. And that may be but why people are saying that this piece falls off. But this is also a good piece because right around here, the black paint that's on it will start chipping away as you start banging it up against the wall as you walk. I've already noticed it on this phone, but this nice little black cover kind of hides it up so you don't see it. And if you bang it up, no big deal. You take it off, put another one on you. Now, let's see if the touch actually still works. And it seemed to be working. Yeah, the touch feature does seem to work. So that doesn't seem to stop anything from working on it. So what do I think of these little, this is basically a glass to protect the phone or the watch itself from scratches and prevent the screen from getting all busted up. The instructions are fairly simple. Make sure you do not lose your sucker. This is what you put onto the glass so you can put it on the phone, on the watch.